Maine? What? You got kidding.
Until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Nelson
Wait a minute.
to Troy, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nashua, Merrimack, Jaffrey, Bedford, Milford, Amherst, Hollis, Swansea, Peterborough, New Boston, Antrim, Mont Vernon, Greenfield, Lynborough, Kilburn, Francetown, Bennington.
There goes the radio
Harrisville, and Nelson.
station.
This also includes Mount Monadnock and North Pack Monadnock.
Alright guys, this is my 100th EAS. I can't believe I actually hit this so fast. Thanks to you guys.